Meet Casey. He's a real estate licensee. He has his license and works on the weekends to make extra cash. Meet Mona. She's a realtor. She's a seasoned pro who lives to serve the local community. While they both have their real estate license, they're not both realtors. The term realtor is a registered collective membership mark that identifies a real estate professional who's a member of the National Association of Realtors and adheres to its strict code of ethics. Thus, Mona is held to a higher standard where Casey is not. What is the code of ethics, you may wonder? Adopted in 1913, NAR's Code of Ethics was among the first codifications of ethical duties adopted by any business group across the country. The code is designed to ensure that realtors work with each other with the goal of furthering the public's best interest when it comes to buying and selling real estate. A realtor applies the 17 articles of the Code of Ethics to everyday real estate practices, such as remembering their fiduciary duties to their client above collecting a commission. Being a realtor, Mona follows NAR's golden rule: do unto others as you would have others do unto you. Article 1 of the Code of Ethics requires realtors to treat all parties honestly. So, Mona is trained to be the public's advocate when it comes to real estate, where Casey isn't held to the same standards. Did you know that there are over 300 steps involved in a real estate transaction? These steps include pre-listing activities, MLS-related activity, marketing and showing the home in the best way, skilled contract negotiations, managing home inspection activities, appraisal preparation, and closing preparation to make sure the deal makes it to the closing table. What's the financial impact of using a realtor versus a real estate licensee? On average, consumers make an additional $46,000 on their sale of their homes when using a realtor, according to Realtor.com. Realtors are your market experts. So, Mona is trained to help you reach your financial goals, where Casey could cost you money. Realtors like Mona will guide you through complicated procedures and technical laws, regulations, and contract documents. They stay up to date on industry trends through NVAR classes, programs, and events. Finally, realtors like Mona have access to a vast network of service providers and vendor partners through the association. These service providers range from junk removal to movers to settlement services to appraisers to home staging and much more. By knowing these differences, you will undoubtedly want a realtor like Mona on your side for one of the most important decisions of your life.